की खूब और का बातें से टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Ban pinsuk hikis pakun ki kena skol kathan. Kemigalaya Board of School Education kala Ithuh no yak Wapung Secondary School Wapung kum ka center ka bathamai na ka bantaban Thoh yak examen SSLC. Kini ka jaka Thoh examen ka Wapung Secondary School Wapung ka bahap hapo Wapung CNRD block kadi ka jingdawa ka blab las lambha nomor ki kena school ki bangan ha kini ka center bathamai minshwa ki hab bani Thoh examen shidu clear yat patu ber. Ki school ki bangan Thoh examen ha kini ka center ka bathamai ki long ka sok kumpor secondary school Tia Chaprang Secondary School, Sokimpor, Step by Step Secondary School, Wapung, Mukhep Secondary School, but Wapung Secondary School. Daga jing sngok men halo kani ga jing center thamai ki bor penya jong school ha kha santrik ursau klapin long ka jing lang ka bekerpang ha ka bo MDC ka than ma phas mon khar lolong ku mukong san ban pliu mau nongrem ha ka jing lang SDO Sardar clear yad Aditya Verma bat ki weipan. Uma pas mondakar ha kajingkran ula pertu ki rangba jangka shnong Wapung kumjo ka school managing committee board hapdeng ki jing e de ki tre shitom nagbenta ki khon ka than nadu kisnem ki balet no hak ba ki la prat lenti bat pinya ha ka rukom ka badai ben pinyo ya ka ni ka senta ha ka ni ka ju usngi la pen ku bromru yaki sapu sangu ki khanna la pendap yaki examine SSLC but HSSLC
Hosket how poi hanu ka dingaski jing nanti dem tahu yo ingin disetel kamu nak kenagi segi ki wa klama pa nga e kuplay ya ki wa he wa sien dong I yo ma chong ka thau wa the line ti naga pol chagwi ka por naga stem chagwi stem naga mit chagwi mit lanti gi dem ta Ubniyo yang kami sedar hadir setong yang ini. Hosket miulan yang dikreasi termongki. Henry hepor yongki aman udang bon gidang catut bon gi kam gijam umjuk membaik ko Henry tahu ngora kiu nang ba jing na yongki egi yang ikat ni presiden SMC bukan ni Daegi yang khakti khakja dongki priyogi ki wagidi ki wagate yunang bon tigi hosket uyo yang di center unto wasuk bon bhagate bojam bon bhagate ga kalom duki ka ni duki yu twat yu poi hado ni binta hado ni kliman uyo di center hendai ngai le pi de tipi yang history ing to ini the sakawila jing yo in center hadis dong pun suko yang tan HD kamtam dichnong mayan chnong ni lo chnong pabra kamai lo chnong bara bai slu chnong mukhep yang galo sokompor kichnong wa pero macam ini da pun suko yang connect yogi ulai Thoh matric hosket how pai chagasnem benchua bon bagi kena skor mana tham tigi chakliret duki mat jaga block duki mat jaga sagari senti bon gila wa mam yo upoi hasintar ubeng por for exam di daw ai tigi block andre katawan ngai lewa jing yo yang ni center hani opong skor Dapat suka yang pelajar sedang banyak tahu. Dapat suka yang kam kejam ulai uwan. Dapat suka le yang bagi pa wamnde tension gi connect ki dementa ulai kam ki kongi. Deba system nice school konoki reality gi hendai mana po ada istiu exam Menyo imat develop tak nu thang mesin ki. Dan jing emu sentara ta ini. Tak war no ite. Kulit no suka iki. Sakuwile wa hiji to wani center ong IP ngakap MBC hiji to wani gnalti yung center ko SMC Hosket Newland any intervention no minister ano siyang hiji to ini boni ka majam Ithuh tandai sedang ngoyo blai wada AUE kita gelak nanti wakam wada ang nor ki he wadi wajangi wakam da ang nor ki waki SMC yang ikat ni kitong chongsong yang ikat ni blai mbedo endai AUE gelak nanti uyot yang ni yang kena sentar kan liao ngayo ni por ukit bok liang yang skor di Wapung school wa ganing center upun suko yang kisong Ithuh macam ganing center penmigo yang klor wa mustaban gawi wan ra yang nam guram hapo ke district hapo ke state kebegla umayang wan ra gi yang nam guram untuk do he privacy, untuk do he doctor engineer, he jo ipol lang sports, he jo lang academics. And my message to the students today is please work hard. Please focus on your books. Please focus on your life. Take care of your deeds and actions. Take care of your thoughts. Because for your thoughts will turn into action. Take care of your action. For your action will turn into your habits. Take care of your habits. For your habits will turn into your character. And please take care of your character. For your character will be your destiny. This is my message to all the students. Please take good care of yourself, study hard, and may God bless you, and may God bless all of us present here today. So take the best of what you can, and may you soar higher and higher. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much.
Now, I want to pose you a question. And the question is, do you guys know what you want to become? After 5 years or 10 years, in what field would you be? Do you have a clear idea? If you have, then it's very good. Because when I was your age, I did not have any idea what I wanted to become in my life. And it takes time to figure out what do you want to do in your life. So I would like you to remind that take your time. Take your time in deciding what you want to do. It does not mean that you want to do stuff in studying only. You can be anything. You can pursue music, you can pursue dance, you can pursue acting, any field that you choose. You can be a scientist. But the important thing is, give your thought and decide what you want to become. If you want to become a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, every profession is noble. There is no profession less or more. But the point is decide. And then when you decide what you want to become, put all of your energy in that. All your energy. Don't leave any stones unturned. Whatever time you have, whatever resources you have, there is no poor or rich thing if you have your dreams set. Believe in yourself. How many of you have you seen Naruto? It is an anime. And its basic motto line is that have believe in yourself. Although it is a cartoon, but it is a very, very powerful message. And when you have believe in yourself, then every door opens. I was just seeing some of you were laughing when some of the students were performing the very good dance that they did and the singing that they did. It's very easy to laugh from sitting there in the chairs, and because it's a very comfortable space. But when you come here, when you dance, when you speak, it's a difficult position to put you in because it is an uncomfortable zone. And in life, if you want to become a diamond, you have to take the heat. You have to become something, then you have to be in uncomfortable zone. And when you are there, when you expose yourself to the heat, then you become powerful. And then only you can present to the world what kind of diamond you are. Don't be in the comfort zone. It's fine to relax, it's fine to enjoy your life. But at the same time, you should know when you have to be serious. Don't waste this time. Nobody gets these resources and opportunities. You have it in your hand and you can simply write your destiny with that. So put all of you, whatever you have at your disposal, itni mehnat kariye, itna put the labor into it, and the desired results will be in your hands. Okay? Chalo. Kublai Shibun. Thank you so much.
MDC nay por na penyu I lar gulti ha ganu thawo yu lai ha ganu thawo sia I khnang wo yo pen urlong ya gani ga SSLC center yang I ni chnong tere yu le dor ba chnong manawan director sini da ong I kita em kam dor ba chnong le daga jing ekre lang we SMC da bon gi benta wa ka da man go kam ga sponsoring body nam ta gani school de rap o pen chna open met pen bahaya gani school ado man go kamu man go kata aw yi jing se komen go kro ba kata sini da ong wi na le nga de yu bit de yu byang bau e ya sentar ga ni school ang pi am te malum mala da ong wi happy pen chna pen le pen dun hawa hanin kam da yu ya ga ni ka compound na du gi wall ni te da le upa MDC bad ini da le da ga dor bas nong bad yu gi building le da benda blu MDC yang gi bar kam ju le ya gi pain khana num tai khana school ada tahaga arpavitrik August arjar arpso da yo ya ga notification order wa ong wa ya ga ni ga Wapung secondary school da ye no wo peman ya ka kam gawi na ga center wo Thoh trik hapo